folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted real quick to show you my Darn Good Yarn monthly subscription for the month of May. Yeah, they sent it kind of late and I was also traveling. I'm back from the crochet retreat. I'll talk about that in another video. This one I just wanted to make it nice and short. I haven't been feeling well. I'm still kind of, stuffed up and tired. So yeah, but everything else went fine. And I wanted to say welcome to my watchers and subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Also, welcome to any new watchers or subscribers. And if you like the content on my channel, please click the subscribe button. It's the join button below. It's free to join. And also, welcome to my members. Thank you so much for your support and for your continued support. And welcome to the new members. Those who rejoined, and thanks Dee for joining. Anyways, so on to this. So for the month of May, I get the subscription that's 3 hanks. So those are the 3 hanks. The colorway is called the yarn Twilight of Folkvngar. It's a sport weight recycled silk yarn. That's how you sorry, I know it's backwards. And it's not focusing. There we go. And it's, again, like I said, a 2-weight sport yarn. They said hand wash only, 50 grams or 100 yards, 1.8 ounces or 182 meters. These are made in India. They're from recycled silk saris, reclaimed. Sorry, that went all blurry on you there. That's so annoying. They recommend a size US 4 knitting needles, which I think is, or 3.5 millimeter. Or a US size G4 4 millimeter crochet hook, and some crochet hooks for G size in the US are 4.25. So that varies by your hook. And that's what I just read to you. I'm like, is it clear? Like, is it? There we go. Now it's clear. I know it's backwards. And it's a really pretty purple with like teal. It's kind of like some teal gray in there. It's not coming up in sort of bluish. It's not coming up very well on the video. So, like the color's not the same in person as in the video. It's a little off, but it's pretty close there. Yeah. And anyway, so it says, the Twilight of Folkvngar. Step into the mystical realm of Folkvngar, the field of the Goddess Freya, with this enchanting 4-ply sport weight yarn. Deep twilight purples and smoky grays swirled together in a moody magical colorway inspired by the goddess of love, battle, and beauty. Perfect for projects that call strength, elegance, and a touch of the divine. And then they mention how, Darn Good Yarn, it's from the co-ops in India. These women specialize in recycled silk yarns, hand spinning and dyeing the beautiful yarn you get every month. It comes with a booklet. This was the booklet for this month, and that's the artwork. The booklet, very pretty. And in here, it's similar what it's saying there. It had a little more here. Soft to the touch yet strong structure. This yarn is perfect for wearable pieces like shawls, lightweight sweaters, fingerless gloves, or any project that deserves a bit of myth and magic. Whether you're honoring the goddess or just vibing with the moody tones of twilight hour, this yarn will carry your stitches with purpose and beauty. Let Twilight Folkvngar guide your hands and your imagination to a place where every loop tells a story and every row is a spell. It says the evoking a sky where so it says the purples with soft stormy grays evoking a sky where the last light of day meets the quiet strength of night. It's a colorway that feels both fierce and gentle, just like Freya herself. So they include a knitting pattern, a cowl for this month. It's a kind of a little picture of it, not very big, the picture. And the crochet pattern that they include for this month is the Shoreline Purse. Do they have a bigger? No, they don't have a bigger picture of that one either. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty. It's cute. I'm not sure how the silk yarn though will hold up, the thinner yarn, for like a clutch, for like a purse, but I guess it'll be fine. And then it shows a diagram how to join that, and they you know, like how to close it, do the closure, and they mention something about the designer that designed both of them. I guess I don't have the slip of how much it cost. I know I said it in other videos. I can't remember it now off the top of my head. I think it's 3 for $25 or something like that, or $20. Anyways, I'll check their website. That'll be the current price. I think they have like a sale or deal going on for the first month if you decide to subscribe, and has discounted shipping within the US, which is $3.95 once you join the membership. And you also get a coupon for the month, which is a 35% off coupon. What else? I think that's it. And you're supposed to get 5% off on on purchases at their website for being a Yarn of the Month Club subscriber, but mine doesn't seem to be working, and it's been quite frustrating because I've been emailing about it and talking to them about it for like more than 2 or 3 weeks now. So anyways, moving right along. They're trying. I mean, they're responding back. So and it includes a free little gift. So this is the gift that came for this month. So this is, and they're wooden. So this is actually to measure gauge. If you're knitting, you know, like knitting gauge of a project, or your crochet gauge swatch, you know, it's like you make a swatch, usually 4 by 4 inches, and then you measure it and you count the stitches with this. So, and apparently this one's in centimeters. It's like 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, which, yeah, it didn't look to me like it'd be 4 inches, but anyways, you could still do the math in there. This one is to check yarn weights. The way it works for this, it has how many, yeah, you see it's like 2 inches. They're 2 inches, because this one has inches on it, and it says 2 inches there on the bottom. And so what you do is you grab the yarn and you put it in here, and it's like an easier way to do the wraps per inch. And then it tells you here like your lace is like 16 plus wraps per inch. Your fingering is 14 to 15. Your sport is 12. Your DK weight is 11. Your worsted weight yarn is a 9, which is a number 4. It has Aran, which is an 8, and then a bulky a 7, and then super bulky 5 to 6 wraps per inch. And but it's kind of hard to read the text there. The next one, this one is to check what size your crochet hooks are. You slip the hook in here and it'll tell you the different sizes. This one has from 3.75 millimeters, which is a D hook. Their US crochet size is all the way to an N, which is a 10 millimeter. The N being over here, the big hole. And this is to check knitting needle sizes. They have 2. The small one is from like 2 millimeters all the way to like 12 millimeters. That must be European. And then this one says US millimeters, and it's like a 2. And then like 13, 10, 7.5, 8. So it has, you know, it's like that. And then we got a sundial looking thing, and I know somebody mentioned in the group what it was for. Apparently, I think this is for spinners, some sort of twist guide. I have no idea how to use that. I don't know about spinning, so sorry, folks. So that's it for my Darn Good Yarn subscription of the month this month. Oops, and I'm dropping wood. I'll try to catch up if I'm feeling better on the weekend to film some more films. And I'm going to do really quick my Mary Maxim subscription that I got for the month of May, which was really nice. They actually didn't send it automatically, so when I got back, I triggered, put the order in for them to do it. I'm going to have to talk to them to see why it's acting a little weird when I resubscribed, that it's not doing